Hello, good afternoon everyone. I just wanted to make a brief video on how to install these window reflectors. I have my 2015 Toyota Highlander. These WeatherTechs are pretty generic. This is the case it came in here. I'll show that to you. It's the WeatherTech side window reflectors, designed specifically for this car. This is from models 2015 to 2019, if I'm not mistaken. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the description, and I'll be sure to let you know. So it comes with two of these. This is the back windows, and then this is the front windows. Now I've already went through here and installed this one for this side and the rear for this side. I'm going to attempt to now do the other side now that I've gotten it correct. This can be very risky. If you don't feel like going to a professional, you can do this at home. Make sure it's a clear day, the weather is not too cold, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is get you a spoon and go inside the window sills. You want to clean them in each corner. I've already done this a couple times. Make sure your windows are clean. This car is covered throughout the weekdays, so I do get like little soots of sand on here, so I had to kind of wipe the car down. The front window sill, make sure you go in there and clean through here, and make sure you have the windows at least halfway down. Make sure your battery's charged, because you might need to wind it up and down a couple times to get it right. So let's see how I can help you guys out here.